lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great time. Today I will be sharing with you how I organize my cosmetic pouch or makeup bag, or in the Philippines we call it kikay kit. This Chanel Beaute pouch in small size was given to me by my cousin from the US. Since she is a fan of Chanel, she has a lot of these pouches, and I'm so happy she gave me one of her pouches. And this I've been using for the longest time because I really love its simplicity, its classiness, the fact that it's in color black that is contrasted by this gold color is really, I really love it. Especially this snowflake zipper pull is really cute. And the thing that really makes me love this pouch so much is how it opens its zippers. So let's open. It opens all the way to the sides. So when you are looking for your things, you just open it really wide and you can easily see what product you need to use. And when you finish using them, you just dump them all there and zip. So it's really very practical for me to use this one, and it can fit a lot of my bags because it's small. And then this makes me happy for the longest time, and this is also very durable, as I may say, because it doesn't have any damage, or you really have just to take care of your things so it will last long. But now I have discovered another way how to organize your makeup bag or your cosmetic bag. I saw this one, a very cute bag, very simple bag, minimalist bag. That is also the same idea because it has the black over gold, very classy, but this has 3 pockets in it that I can use to organize my makeup things, my makeup products. In the first pocket, it has a magnet closure. I'm planning to place makeup brushes and eyebrow pencils in this area so that I can easily get them. And since they are very flat, so I think they fit perfectly here. In the second portion, which is the biggest of them all, I'm planning to place makeup products for the face, and probably I will also put my perfumes in there or lotion in there because those are the things that are bulky. And on the last zippered pocket, I'm planning to place my eyeshadow palettes, and on this final zippered compartment at the back, since I only have small or a few of my lip products, I will place my lip products here. So as I pull things inside this pouch, Chanel pouch, I will be transferring them on their designated pockets. So let's start. So I have here Maybelline New York. That is a foundation, two-way cake foundation in number 3 natural. I don't really use foundation very much, so I just purchased a small foundation in case I need it. So this is very cute. So this will go in the middle pocket. Now I have here a concealer, magic concealer from Shawil. So this is also face product, so I'll put it in the middle portion. I also have here BYS Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This is a matte deep space. So this will go in the last pocket at the back. So another eyeshadow palette. will go also at the back portion. Now I have here Shawil, 2 colors, eyebrow, 3-dimensional and long lasting. So it's here, still here in its box, because the sales lady told me to keep this box and not to remove it from its box to protect it from breakage and damage. And since they also have this second protective inner box, this black box, to give it more protection, so I followed her advice. It has this 2-color, light brown and dark brown, and it has a free eye brush and eye applicator. So that's a good tip. Usually if you drop your eye palette makeup, they will really break and turn into powder, and it will go over inside your bag, so very messy. So it will go to the back pocket of this pouch. Next, I have here Nivea Med Repair Lip Balm SPF 15. So this will go in the zippered portion of the back. I also have here all my brushes, makeup brushes. So this will go inside this front pocket. Next, I have here, this is a cool idea. When you're doing your makeup, you put this in your hair, and the baby hairs and all of the small hairs will go through this one. It will not be a messy makeup. So I forgot what this is called, so you just have to buy this also if you want. This one, new sunscreen from Quick FX. This is made in Korea. I'm trying to try this if this would fit my skin, because now I'm using Pond's sunscreen, but I've heard in one of the videos a good review about Quick FX, so I will be trying this if this would also be a nice sunscreen for me. So this one, sunscreen for the face, will go to the middle compartment again. I have here castor oil for my eyebrows. Since I pluck my eyebrow sometimes, but most of the times my eyebrows doesn't grow back, so I really need this castor oil to help my eyebrows grow back. So this will be placed in this first pocket as well. Then I have here clay blush. This is also for the face. Can also use this as on your lips, but on the face, so I'm placing it in the middle compartment again. Then I have here Nichido in taupe. This is eye pencil, and this will go in the front pocket together with the brushes. Then I have here some more pencils. This is also for the eyebrows. This is from Bilena. Why doesn't want to focus? All Day Brow Pen, Bilena, which is the sharp brush for precise eyebrow applications. So that will also go on the front pocket. And then this one is from Etude. Etude, I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. Etude House from Korea again. Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. It's one of my favorites. So on one side it has this pulley, on the other side it has the product. Where's the product? The product for the eyebrow. So I have an eyebrow brush and some comb. This is from Marionode, but from some reason the brand was erased. Not sure, forgot why or how. And then I have here from Marionode, very cute color white tweezers. Oh, oops. Will also go on the front pocket. And then I have here a eyebrow scissors. And then I have here EB Advance, another pencil, eyebrow pencil, EB Advance in caramel. Caramel is the flavor. Also have here Boo Cheek. This is a lip balm, tinted lip balm, and this will go right in the front, at the back I mean, zippered pocket. I also have here mineral makeup for the eyes, so will also go at the back pocket. I have here some foundation that I got free from Nature Republic. I think I will use this next time. On the front middle pocket for the face, another lip balm from Burt's Bees. So on the back pocket again. Then I have here some sunflower oil for the under eye dark spots. I think I will place it in the front again for the eyes. So a small pocket version of the castor oil for the eyebrow. And lastly, I have here some other oil for the eyebrow again. So I don't have anything inside this pocket. So you can see I've organized everything in this small three-way pouch. If I still have room in the middle, so I can place some lotion and perfume. So let's close it now and see how it looks like. So this is another way how to organize your makeup things, your makeup essentials. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy, relax, and thank God for these blessings. Till next time. Bye.